Hey, you want to know something really freaking cool? Did you know that when you improve one area of your life, that you actually improve all areas of your life? So, for example, one of the big key things I've been doing lately is I've been upping my own personal self value inside my own head. Okay? Bear with me, I'm just coloring my eyebrows a little bit because I'm not a natural redhead. Okay, so when the way that you value something is how you take care of it. If you value something, you take care of that damn thing because you freaking love it and you're proud of it, man. So after battling severe depression for the past like 3 years, maybe more, depression is something I've dealt with my entire life. And I tell you, like just a little newsflash for you: the people that are the most helpful, the most friendly, the most like, oh my god, like how can I help you, like you're amazing, like they are so motivational, they lift you up, they are so supportive, they're always helpful, and they are just the friendliest people in the entire freaking world. They're the ones that you need to be taking care of. I'm just letting you know they are that way because, honey, when the lights go out at the end of the day and they have just their own thoughts to think about, it's dark, it's ugly, it's nasty, it is absolutely freaking terrifying, which is why they always give their best to everybody else. Okay? But that's a whole nother story. Just an interesting, side note. Anywho, when you take care of yourself, when you put a personal self value on you, you start taking care of yourself better, and it improves all areas of your life. So when you improve one area of your life, it improves all areas of your life because you've let go of those stress factors that were associated with that thing that was so degrading and unhealthy and just so nasty in your life. Now you don't have to worry about it. It's just gone. Bye bye. Bye. All right. So you let go of those stress factors. You completely walk away from them. And when you do that, so that could be, say, maybe you start eating healthier. Maybe you start doing things that light you up. Me, personally, I'm working on improving my self value in my own eyes. It doesn't matter what anyone else says, it's all about what I personally think about me, because at the end of the day, my life revolves around me because I'm the one living it. And if I stop living my life, then my life tumbles to shit. Okay? Simple fact. Okay. So if you want to be a part of living your life, you want a real quality of life, you've got to value and respect yourself. Okay, so after years and years of severe depression and going nutsy, I had to change me in order to improve my life for my family. There's the kicker. There's the kicker. So I've been taking better care of myself by doing things that make me happy, such as the hair. Okay, so I'm a natural blonde, guys. So just in case, if you didn't know that, I'm a natural blonde, but I freaking love being a redhead. I've always loved being a redhead. Dyeing my hair is one of those little tiny things that brings me so much joy in my life, and it costs me next to nothing. Like, this particular hair dye was like a $9 box, and it took 30 minutes of my time, but it's something that I refused to allow myself to do because I didn't think I was worthy of that shit, and that I was just wasting money that needed to actually be going to these other things. But the reality of it is that I actually need to celebrate my wins, and we all have wins every day, including you. So if you suffer from severe depression and you've got real trauma in your past and you're doing all of your shadow work, that deep inner healing, like 2023 was all about deep inner shadow healing and work, okay? That's why 2023 was it was like, I don't want that shit in my life no more. All right, so I I've been doing my shadow work for the last several years as I've been suffering through the severe depression. Just saying, I'm just saying, I'm just saying. So, I gotta, like, so, pause. So, in the process of healing my own demons and facing my past trauma, I've started to find a personal value in myself, which means I'm taking better care of myself because I respect myself, which means I give a damn about myself. I give a damn about meeting tomorrow and being there for my kids and to see them grow up. I give a damn about everything around me. I can do my damn necklace on. Fingers are not working today. All right, so it's improved my health overall. So as I'm doing these little things, such as dyeing my hair as a celebration for me, for no other reason, just because I'm proud of the fact that I accomplished some of these major things that I've been trying to accomplish for months and months and months and months and months and months and years in some cases, and I've been knocking them damn things out like, yeah, go Crystal, right? Yeah. All right, so as I knock those out, my health is improving, my family life is improving, my business is improving. All areas of my life are improving, including the cleanliness of my home that went to shit. And I'm actually known for being like the cleanest house on the block until the last 3 years, and I allowed my depression to come in and take control of my life instead of stepping up and going, "Hi, depression, how are you? It's nice to see you. But while you're here, you're gonna go by my rules." We're not doing that shit. This is my place. Like, this is my life. I run my life. Okay, now it's time for you to go. Bye, we'll see you next time. All right. So, do you love them? I love these. So if you want to get a pair of these, like seriously, go check out my website, mildartistry.com, and you can snag a pair of these yourself too. So these are my baby sisters. My baby sister figure out earrings. I have another pair that's the same length, a little different design, but the same length available in the shop. Or you can get the big sisters that have got the beautiful silver balls like all the way down. It's so freaking gorgeous. I freaking love them. Freaking love those earrings. But I've only got 2 pairs left. I've only got one baby sister, and I've got one of the silver ball chandelier figure out earrings. Okay, whole nother side note. Okay, yeah. All right, so when I started taking care of myself, actually putting a value on myself to improve my life, my health has gotten better. My finances are getting better. My home is getting better. My time and my presence, like actually being present in the moments of my life and my family and my animals, has improved. My relationships have once again begun to blossom and open back up, where there's love, laughter, and joy again instead of just in them. Okay. So every layer of my personal life is improving. All right, simply because I decided to take the firm steps and actions to value myself just a little bit more every single day. And in the process of doing that, I started to celebrate my wins. So back in the day, if you don't know, people that deal with depression, sometimes it's literally all they can do just to drag their butt out of bed and to face another day. But yet they still put their face on, they still put their best out there, especially if you are happy, bubbly, like want to help people person like me, okay? We give freely because we know what it's like to be on the other side. So my hair, I'm extremely self-conscious about my hair, and on camera it always looks like shit, and it's something I've actually had to face. But I'm celebrating myself. So I dyed my hair. My hair does not grow, okay? I have super thin, I have super fine hair. Literally the only reason why you can even tell I actually have hair is because I can tease it the F up, okay? Otherwise, you literally can see through my hair. And in a month's time, my roots are actually showing. Do you realize that my hair literally only grows generally an inch in a year, if I'm lucky? And in less than a month, I got like a 1/4 inch plus up to like almost a 1/2 inch. That's like a half a year hair growth in a month. Simply because I started taking care of myself. Simply because I started giving a damn about me. And I ask you, the areas in your life that you're so fixated on, that you're so focused on, if you were to stop fixating on them, if you were to stop overly focusing and stressing and dreading what you cannot control and started focusing on the aspects of your life that you can control, like I did, how could your life change? I'm just saying. How could your life change if I've had all these changes over the past 6 months, maybe ish, in my life? Simply because I started raising the bar on how I value myself. Instead of beating myself up every day, I value a little more. Every day I celebrate just a little bit more. I get out of bed the next day and I feel just a little smidgen better. Every day I have just the tiniest little bit more energy to take care of business, to take care of my family, to take care of the things that are truly important. Every day I bump up that little bar, just the tiniest little smidgen. It goes up so damn slow you almost can't even notice it. But it's absolutely life-changing. So my friend, I ask you, what is it in your life that you can start doing to celebrate the things that you have accomplished, to start focusing on what you did do instead of focusing on what you have not accomplished yet, and start celebrating those wins? I'm just saying. Hey, guys, my hair on camera, it always looks like shit. It always looks like shit. I'm really self-conscious about my hair. Really self-conscious about it. But I'll tell you, like on a little side note, yeah, when you have like serious like insecurities, and you have to be on camera like all the freaking time to run business, to run your actual business, it makes you face those. And either you have to get over fixating on the fact that, oh my God, like my hair has got like this weird going on here in the back, or oh my God, I turned around and you can see my freaking scalp, man. Shit. Like seriously, don't look at the back of my head, guys. If I turn around on camera, please don't look at the back of my head. Yeah. Just a funny note, okay? Just a funny note. When you have to like face yourself literally on camera every single freaking day, and you're editing your own videos and you're doing all the work and all the recording and all the stuff, you get really up close and personal with yourself and see yourself how everyone else sees you, and you have to deal with all those insecurities and all those nasty little things that you want to tell yourself, and you go, oh my God, what do people actually say these things? What do people actually think these things? And go, then you have to remind yourself that in real life, most people aren't actually like that. In real life, they're going to focus on the things that are amazing and gorgeous and beautiful about you, such as your gorgeous smile or those sparkling eyes. Yeah. So, this is Crystal with Mold Artistry signing off, and I love you. Have an amazing day.